Well, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Finally, starting the video with a little pirouette there because the last time we uploaded something on the channel, we had yet gotten winter, which we have now. And the last time I uploaded a video was also last year. It was right before New Year's Eve. And the day before New Year's Eve, I came down with COVID. The whole family did. So we've been recovering for 10 days now, and I feel great. In today's video, we're finally doing something that I've been waiting for a long time, because this truck is still, although I've had it for over a year now, it's still somewhat new on the market. So I've had to wait to get a new exhaust on this thing. Today is exhaust install time once again with our buddy Brian. We haven't done a video like that in a long time, and I'm super excited. As you guys know, we currently have an exhaust on the truck. This exhaust is from MagnaFlow. It's a prototype, so I think my truck was the first one in the country, at least like a pure customer truck, to have this exhaust. I'm grateful that I was able to have an exhaust and have it somewhat quick. You know, I can still talk and you guys can still hear me. This exhaust has never had the decibel levels that I'm used to from my old truck. And it's like a side exit exhaust. That's not really, you know, my favorite. There's nothing on that side. There's nothing obviously behind the truck. So finally, in today's video, we're installing a proper exhaust on the truck once again. So if we do a little pull here, I mean, it's better than stock, but it's definitely not loud. So we're on our way to our buddy Brian's house. We're gonna go pick him up and then go do the install. But first, apparently he's bought a new vehicle, or a couple new vehicles since he was on our channel. So, well, look at that. He's got an F-150 sitting in the freaking driveway. Ha! Brian bought an F-150. What do you know? Better than a Toyota Tundra, that's for sure. Although I'm kind of peed off at Ford at the moment because Gen 3 Raptor is still not here. That was supposed to be here in October. It's January 2022. I'm going to buy a brand new 21 Raptor in 2022. Oh, congratulations.
Wow. You can't show this one yet.
Yeah, I can. That looks good, man.
Thank you.
You got an XLT Sport package.
Super
good job.
On it. I was holding out for the Tundra, but I just gave up. It got real pricey building it. I'm like, I got a deal on this truck.
Is it brand new?
Yeah, brand new, but it's
Damn.
weird.
So it's got the 5.0?
No, 2.7.
Oh my god.
I was going for efficiency this time.
Oh
that
my
Tundra
god,
got such horrible gas mileage.
You got an eco bitch.
EcoBoost. I got the 5.0 in the Mustang.
Yeah, you do got the 5.0 in the Mustang.
I got the 2.7 in the Broker.
Oh, okay, look at that. You're such a Ford family, although you work at a Subaru dealership.
I quit working for Ford 19.
Are you ready to install?
I am. It's been
Install time.
I gotta get the keys to the dealership.
See, there's no eco bitch badge on here, so I figured you had a 5.0 at first. Because then you could have just gotten my old exhaust.
What's that?
Because then you could have just gotten my old.
They're all the same.
Are they?
I'm pretty certain. Yeah.
Nice.
We might work that out.
Yeah, okay, cool. All right, install time. Bye-bye, MagnaFlow. All right, so what are we installing here? If you guys remember.
That's a garbage.
I know, well, that's bodies. So here.
Oh, snap.
About 3 years ago, we installed the same exhaust on my old truck, and it did freaking wonders. I've been waiting for a long time to be able to do this again. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's just been taking so long for the manufacturers to do R&R or R&D on these new trucks, but now it's time. Borla ATAK, baby, and we got the master installer.
Loud.
Yes, Pittsburgh views. And here it is. This is pretty much all it has except for the cats. I mean, this is a cat back system, but this is a little resonator. It doesn't have any mufflers or anything like that, which is why Coyote sounds so good with this exhaust on, whether it's a Mustang or an F-150. I'm excited. It's gonna be awesome.
That supercharger.
Yeah. All right, so here it is. And just like last time we did black chrome tips, it's gonna look the best on a black truck as well. And it's dual rear exit, not side exit like I have on the passenger side with the MagnaFlow.
It's so salty.
It's very salty. And I sprayed it off earlier today. It was horrible. But yeah, let's get to work. Yeah, so Brian and I are trying to figure out here. We think this is original pipe, and the actual exhaust is this muffler, and then just this end pipe right here. So that literally took like 3 minutes.
Easy peasy.
So it's 3 bolts and then just the yeah, I'm sorry. Piece number 1. There we go.
Like a glove.
Like a glove. Man, this is like easy peasy.
Oh yeah.
Especially for me, I'm not doing anything.
Dripped in the face. I don't know why we had to do this in the winter.
Well, I waited for a long time.
I know.
It would have been great if we could have done it this summer, or spring, or fall. Yeah, this is going to be perfect. See, it's so much better with a dual rear exit tips. I mean, it is.
The other way. I like just one.
What?
One out the side in the back.
Man.
I like it out the side and the back.
All right, we'll install that on your truck.
Well, that's not out.
When we're done with this truck, we just go install it real quick on your truck and see what it sounds like.
It's probably not going to sound that good because it's so quiet.
Eco bitch.
You know, compared to the V8,
Eco. You know, I love Borla's exhaust systems and everything, but they send you this hat. Whenever you, look at this. I mean, what kind of freaking hat is this? It's completely swooshed. I mean, it has no, like, whoa, support here whatsoever. But Brian's being dripped in the face here, so he's going to wear a Borla hat while he installs here.
Oh, I might be done now. Oh, sweet.
Look at that.
It's like
I mean, that's the most horrible hat ever. Look at that. Look at that. It's already all mocked up here. We just got to tighten everything up and start it up. Look at that. Brian.
Yeah, it looks good. The black tips look awesome with the black truck.
Black tips look perfect on this truck. I love it. Man, I cannot wait. See how nice and shiny this tip is? It's about to look like this.
Well tuned that is?
I know. Man, I cannot wait. I'm super excited for this. Finally, my truck's gonna sound like it should.
I've been waiting for this since you bought your truck.
Huh?
I said you've been waiting for this since the day you bought your truck.
I know. That is one grumpy rack you have. All right, Brian, jump in, do the honors. That warm start. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. Woo! It actually wasn't too bad during a warm start.
Yeah, the initial start.
You know? Yeah! Oh, man, I love it. Just listen to this rumble. I can't wait till we do a cold start. Man, that's gonna have to happen tomorrow though, unfortunately. So we'll do that for the next video, but because the install for this took like 30 minutes. So the truck was still warm even though it's winter outside, but man, it sounds so good. I love it. It looks so much better too. Borla ATAK, ladies and gentlemen. Truck sounds like it should sound. So let's take it out. All right, so we're inside the truck now. It's definitely louder, but I don't know if it's the new generation F-150 that's better like insulated or whatever sound, because it's not super loud in here.
Compared to outside. Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, my wife's not even gonna complain about that.
But on the outside, it's...
Yeah, on the outside, it's still stupid loud. It's definitely the loudest F-150 you can have.
Definitely ear piercing.
I mean, that's a legal exhaust at least. I mean, it's not catless, but for a legal exhaust, it's definitely gonna make your 5-liter F-150 the loudest truck out there. Oh, it's spinning.
That thing is nasty.
All right, so the truck went into limp mode, and check engine light came on as well after I did that little burnout. So we're just gonna turn it off and see if that helps for a little while here. So look here, we met up with Alex. He's the guy that's supposed to be working on the Danger Ranger, but it never happens. Anyhow, he has a straight pipe tuned EcoBoost F-150. Start this thing up, I want to hear it. That's not actually half bad. That's not bad at all. That actually sounds pretty damn good. like for, you know, a rumble idle.
It's probably one of the best sounds in EcoBoost.
It is. Let me hear it on the road. Do you mind? You don't have to like fly or anything, but I just want to hear it what it sounds like on the road. I might have to take this eco bitch talk back.
It sounds good. I mean, I did, you know, we did this install with the cats and the exhaust on my channel, so all the intake, all that stuff's on there.
Shameless plug. It's loud.
It's not terrible.
I mean, they can definitely be loud, and it's not bad sounding.
Yeah.
Huh, look at that. Oh yeah, it's a little different.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little different.
A little flirtier.
And that's a warm start. All right, so we're back at Brian's crib. Thanks once again, as always.
That was awesome.
The master installer. I mean, half an hour it took.
Yeah,
it was like nothing. And stay tuned on Brian's channel for his new truck. He's going to install the MagnaFlow that I had on.
If I don't have to cut the factory. If I have to cut the factory, I probably won't do it.
Okay.
But we're going to look into it, and I appreciate you giving it.
No problem, man. I appreciate you helping me out as always. Alex, him and I should be working here soon on the Ranger when it's maybe not like 5 degrees outside.
Yeah, that's the best day for installs.
Yeah, but again, thanks so much, dude.
Yeah.
Truck sounds awesome. Have a great day.
Hey, thanks, you too.
Yeah, it's definitely, like we said earlier, more quiet inside the truck. But to be honest, I don't really mind that much. Because again, this is the most aggressive exhaust you can buy from Borla. And in my old truck, and I think that's because, you know, it was a previous gen, and it just, the quality of the interior just wasn't as nice. I think that's why it was so much louder in the interior. And also, after we rebuilt the engine, after it blew, they put green racing cats on that truck, so that made it even louder than it was prior to just having the stock cats and a Borla ATAK on there. I'm super happy with it. It's still the loudest exhaust for any F-150 out there, except for maybe, and I haven't heard that yet, and I'm actually contemplating getting one of those exhausts as well, just to try it out, and that's a Corsa Extreme. I've never had that on any of my trucks, so because that's like the equivalent to a Borla ATAK, but from Corsa. So that'd be interesting to see what the difference in sound is. So yeah, I mean, yeah, should I do that or not? Huh? Uh-oh! Uh-oh! You know what we gotta do! Finally, it sounds good again. All right, so there it is. We finally have a proper exhaust on the F-150 again. It only took about a year to get a Borla ATAK on the 21 F-150. I mean, I'm pretty sure that I'm probably one of the first customer trucks with this exhaust on a 5-liter at least. So it's just taken a long time. I wish I could have done it sooner, but here we are. I'm super happy with how it sounds, and look what we have here. If you guys don't follow me on social media, you won't know, because I posted about this, but she is back in her birthday suit, lead foot gray, and she's ready to go to Brian, who won the truck next week. So it's going to North Carolina. Last time we're seeing her on the channel. She looks good in lead foot gray though, really good. But I'm gonna miss having this pink truck in the driveway, that's for sure. And look at that real quick, oh look at that, look at that. It's gonna be exhaust time for the C63 coming next week as well. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 very loud vehicles in the driveway here. This one probably the loudest, at least under load. Huge thanks to Brian for always helping me out, of course, when we do these install videos. Great to hang out with him again. I haven't seen him in a while. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to Brian as well. I'll leave a link for his channel in the description below. If you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Huge thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.